What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a limited time deal to boost your listing on booking.com. So first you're going to log into your Extramed, as you can see, and then you come here to boost performance, click here, then go to opportunity center. So once you're here, it's gonna go here to ranking. Then from here you're going to see boost your ranking with a limited time discount. So you're going to click on take action. So you can choose maybe a week or maybe 3 days or 5 days to boost your limited time discounts. So I'm going to choose one of my rooms. They say select a maximum of 2 consecutive days. So I'm going to choose Saturday, Sunday this week, and then the discount will apply to bookings made between the following dates. So after that, I'm gonna click which rate plans do you want promotion to apply, and choose all rate plans, or I'll just select rate plans. Then I will choose maybe weekly rates or monthly rate, whatever, depending on what you want, and then select rooms. So for now, I'm gonna select one room. You can choose both if you want to, but then the discount is gonna be a little bit higher. So they say that discount has to be between 30% off. So I'll just reduce it to 30%. So after that, I'm gonna go all the way down, and then you have your 30% limited deal. This is how it's going to show on the promotion. Then I click on review promotion, select at least one date. That is that. So after selecting, click on review promotion. So here is how it will look. You can just go through it, edit where you made a mistake, wherever, stay dates, bookable period. So I can say stay dates can be, maybe bookable period can be 1 to 2. All right. Then after that, I go back to review. Also, if you want to edit the stay dates, you can also go to edit. I can say this from this to this. Those are 5 days. So, and then click on review promotion. Once you confirm everything, you check here. I understand that from 3rd May until 6th May, inclusive, the price for the above rooms cannot be the same as the price offered during the deal. So that is after the discount. So I'm going to click on activate. So now you can see the promotion has been added. So from here, you can review all your promotions and everything. So you can see the limited time in 1 day. So this is the promotion currently. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.